mustard called 1111280.com.
Okay. Yes, I'm still at Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man, that's it. Right, here, that's me, you know. Yeah, man, you know.
Wow. Yes, Jackson. That's the reason why I'm a warm up. That's why Jackson's warming up. Where's the Kim Black?
Yes, man, a bad man. Chef can't go away. He can't get a wife soon.
Well, blessed love, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, anywhere you're watching from. Welcome guys, welcome back to Culinary in Jamaica. And today we're heading back to Garden Town, you know, by Garden Town Road, by that river, you know, to cook some food today. You know, we and a couple of the members them, and we got a guest as well to coming in, you know. So we have a guest coming in. We have literally 2 guests coming in today, you know. So we decided, well, on a day that we was planning to go up there, so we decided that we was going to go up there and all the vibes, you know, and cook some food and chill out by that river that you see. I went up by in Garden Town Road, you know, on Garden Town Road. So that's where we're going today, you know. So I'm on my way to go get some fish, you know. So stay tuned guys. Remember, like before watching. Remember, whenever you're watching, put the thumbs up if you reach this far, you know, only just in the program. Remember to give the video a like. I would thank you guys so much for supporting Kina Life in Jamaica. Yes, I really like that spot, you know. I hope most of you guys like that spot as well too. It's really hidden, you know. Most people don't really know about it. So we're going there today to go have a vibe, you know, because not everyone knows about that river, you know, not even me, because I always drive past it. So today I'm going there to chill out, you know, and I hope you enjoy this video, you know. Stay tuned and watch it till the end and you see what takes place. So today I'm gonna cook something special. Today I'm gonna cook pumpkin dumpling. I'll cook some pumpkin dumpling, you know. We and Wolf Chef is going to be in the kitchen today cooking some pumpkin dumpling and fried fish, you know. So I'm going to be making that pumpkin dumpling, you know, because trust me, the last time when my cousin did made it when we was in Westmoreland, and I did love it, you know, pumpkin dumpling. And I also love banana dumpling. I don't know if any of you guys ever tried the banana dumpling before. That is so nice as well too. One of these days I'm going to do it as well. So the banana dumpling, trust me, it is nice. It is finger licking good, you know, so finger licking good. So even the pumpkin dumpling. So today is that day. We're going to have some pumpkin dumpling. So you're going to call me the pumpkin man, pumpkin and dumpling man. Alright then, so stay tuned.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
want 6 pounds. Tell me to cut.
Much of that today? Much fish that can go there?
Farmer got seed last time, say first sale of fear.
This guy, so I'm here getting some fish. You know, getting some fish to go deal with this over by the river today. So getting some parrot. You're getting some bird fish. Grunt? Eh?
Yeah.
A grunt?
Nice.
Oh. See some no fish though? Correction. No, you say, I mean it's a grunt though. So correction, grunt.
You don't pay about 50 cents.
Be with them good for me in general.
Any amount of lobster comes here. And more than that, yeah. Yeah?
Yes guys, so this is the back road. You know, this is back road heading into Portmore, coming from over them sides. You know, where you get all the fish and everything. Hello. So whenever I come to buy a fish, I like to come around here. That nice sea breeze coming in the morning, and I like coming here to get that. Fresh sea breeze here in the morning. So guys, so today that's the mission. We have 2 guests coming in. You know, we're just gonna cook by the river. You know, that same river out by Garden Town Road. You know, that's where we're gonna be heading today. You know, so we're gonna cook some, as I said, I'm gonna cook some pumpkin dumpling. You know, pumpkin dumpling and fry some fish. You know, all our vibe. You know, that is the plan for today. You know, we and some of the members then. You know, so we're gonna head down to Trenchtown and meet up with the rest of the guys. And I guess one of the guests is here already, and she's all the way from Portland as well too. She's all the way from Portland, so you're gonna stay tuned. When we reach Trenchtown, you're gonna see her. You know, and then we're gonna head out by the river. You know, because I really like that location. I really like that spot because it's off grid. You know, it's hidden. You know, it's a nice chill spot. So that's the spot we're gonna have for our local spot whenever we feel like to go and chill. You know, where we can go and cook. So up here is nice. So this is the vibes. This is the vibe. This is the vibe. Look on these big boat engine. These engine are some big engine. Very big. Oh, I feel like swimming. I'm not lying, I feel like swimming. But I'm gonna swim by the river. But this looks enticing to go and swim. I'm not even lying. Looks so enticing to go and swim. Talk the truth. I know you're watching from all the way from USA, UK, anywhere in Europe. You're watching from the Caribbean, or you're from your workplace watching at work on your way home, and you're like, wow, Kino, I really want to take a dive. You know, just pause it and take a dive. Right there. Right there. Ah, blessed day. Is that vibes alone, just listening to the water rushing. We have Rasta Jackson here. So we have Kim Vlog in the place. So we have Rasta Jackson there. And we have Hero. We have Talpi. We have Hero say, hey Kim. And we have Boom there. She's up. Yeah, so she want to come chill out with the team today. Yeah. So the wow chef, yeah? The wow. Yeah. I know you tell her to buy neither.
Man can't tell her to buy, it's ready, man.
Alright.
I look on the water, you know?
Yeah.
Man, you got to walk choke up, you know? You see it? Not enough big, man.
Yes, guys, so we're here now in Churchtown, we're getting ready to leave. You know. So we have Esther and Eddie and Mother Teresa as well to roll in, so they're gonna get some food quick, just waiting another drive. And we have Kim Vlog here. Kim Vlog from Portland. Portland, she's also a YouTuber as well, so, you know. Guys, so this is DJ Swicked's sister. Come here, Kim. Come here. So guys, so this is DJ Swicked's sister. Her name is Kim Vlog, you know, so when you go and check out her link, it's going to be in the description. You know, she left all the way from Portland after 6 this morning.
After 7.
After 7.
Yes, man, never catch the first bus, my plan to catch, but
yes.
stay up on time, you know?
Alright, and she made the effort to come to Churchtown, you know. And guys, I would say we appreciate that so much, you know, to come and chill out with the team for the day. And as I say, we're going to that spot, you know, where we discovered the other day. And trust me, that night we go we can go and chill. I'm gonna fry. I will also have Patrick as well to roll in through. You know, Patrick, our guest, as well to donate the pampers then. We're gonna have a vibes today, chilling out at that river. Guys, so remember to stay tuned, remember, and put the thumbs up if you reach this far and you're watching. Alright, so we're gonna load up. Boom. Eh? Oh, I'll put. Yeah, come. Put in the stuff them now. Look at us black meat away like a star.
Never realized that, bro.
Cook some pumpkin dumpling.
Whoa.
Eat pumpkin dumpling before? No? First I hear about that one, the Ripper.
No, we see that, man.
You see it?
Yeah, we never eat.
Alright.
I mean, everybody now phone now.
Oh.
You know about see it for creative cooking.
So that we're going to go on with today. Oh, I have a fish in the car. Eh? Yeah, wait, pan. Oh, yeah, go. I get something. You want to? Alright. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we're getting ready. So, let's take out this. I'm a general, big up, you know. Every time. One mad dog. Today is the day. I like that little spot there. You never go up there yet though. Like a relaxing spot. Perfect. About that too? See about that you give away.
Hey, you're going to faster than the next one.
Joanne, ladies.
Yeah?
Wanna come now one?
Wait. Esther, get ready.
Not you. You can stay.
Why?
This too young for you.
So I'm love you, you know.
Hey, come now, I get it. You can't have mother and daughter at the same place.
You don't have to tell them, sir, I'm my daughter.
You can't have mother and daughter at the same place.
No, my mother stay here.
Yeah, all traffic I go black. Right? All traffic I go black. Can't have mother and...
If the man want she, him go for she. If the man want me, him go for me. And an old man, no, I'm not a young boy. That make it worse now, because it's mother and daughter want old man.
I see it now.
That make it worse now, you know, mommy stay here.
Yes.
You want old man and me want old man too.
Yes, so how it go work?
How it go work out? I don't want a young boy.
So how it go work now,
How it
Joanne?
go work out now? The man will go for me, man go for you now.
I said,
My mother that's to wash pot, you know, so no can't bother with the pot business, so no too lazy.
I said the man rather go for you more than she.
I can't bend my back.
Hey, what, Joanne?
My back.
Aye. And Dennis cannot bend like that. Dennis cannot bend like that at all. Oh Lord. Hey Joanne, enough young girl can't bend like you, you know.
I don't want bend, my back to stay straight.
No star.
I broke my back.
Joanne with them bend there. She put Dennis to shame. Oh God. Guys, you see that the mother put her to shame. Dennis cannot bend her back like that. No time at all. Not in this lifetime. Dennis.
Not in another lifetime.
Joanne, you sure no for what? Joanne, show your back now earthy after that? No.
All the while. I mean, I bend my back.
Okay, so you keeping fresh.
So I keep fit for the old man.
Hey.
For the old man.
So but the old man now can manage you then, Joanne, man.
Can't walk, we still go.
You're gonna be too fit. You're gonna be too fit for him, man, Joanne.
Oh, catch fish, funny. Where else something I do?
Yeah.
So, you know.
Catch her.
And I said, but we I catch fish side. Eh? Oh, so if you catch fish side.
Joanne, don't go one away, go all your back, you know.
What that mean, say?
Don't go one away and all your back.
Show them say fit again. Show them say fit.
Hey, alright, Joanne, alright. Hey.
I was sure. Yeah, man, we say more better. I'm another player, that's
No, sir. That's where Dennis get it from.
Yeah. I ain't not catch my father yet. Double trouble. Yeah?
Then you come from Makia come.
Go down the road. Bobby say, but wait, me afraid pan me I want to own no reach up there yet.
Anyway, water the eddy of there. Anyway, the water is eddy, you have to be there. So we have the dream team, swim team is out and ready. The dream team, swim team. Kim. Go out then. to bed there. Guys, we're here again, but it's raining. Imagine here, we leave down from Trenchtown, Pearson, and as we reach up here, it's pure rain. So we've been getting pure rain, rain on top of rain. Guys, we've been getting some rain. Guys, look, this here the other day here the river come down heavy and lick away all the banking from here. So as you can see, lick away all the banking. Right here was a pool, you know, and through the heavy water it lick away everything. So here himself from up to the water, the rain, the heavy water come from. So if you can set up a bank in a so back here, if you can set up a little bank in a so, yeah, go and stop some water to pull it up. The water keeps coming in. The water keeps coming in, star. Whoa. Today is today. Yo. So while I hear the bank off, could have seemed like a pool, brother. Yeah. Water cold still. That is the whole of this, the whole of the banking. The whole of you here, you could have jump off from up here, Mr. Pitney jump off and everything. We have a little mini pool. See him here, so. Just so you can relax.
It's not gonna get wet.
Aye. Yes. Yes. Woo. That is good.
Yeah. These are for people that like bathe.
This is for who don't like to bathe. Guys, if you don't like to bathe, them see the rain a fall, them a come out of the vehicle. Eh? Rain a fall, them a come out the vehicle.
Yeah, that's blessing, you know?
Of course. Heavy. Look at that. Right, you know, so good and nice. Whoa, 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 whoa! ladies them are come down. Eh? Lion not going to water. Go. Guys, we're going to make use of this same way. Oh, now Charlie, look where I'm going. It's a rainy day at the river. It's a rainy day at the river. But we are searching for something.
I'm going to walk way up to the river and search out. I look for the place where you can lay down. You see me I say? Yes, like them part here.
Can lay down.
Watch a cool though. But we don't watch the coolness, you see me I say?
I have run the next side as well to run there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen for you, them never want to swim right now. Yes, you can lay down.
Ja. Oh, chef, right there, so. You're not deep. Yeah? Yeah, right there, so. We'll take out runner as well. Our next spot the runner so. Guys, why? As you can see in the previous video, we're right here where everyone was jumping off, you know, the river really come down, the heavy tide, you know, washed away everything. You know, that's how strong the pressure was. It washed away everything, so as you can see. Everything get washed away. You know, so here. I'll show you runner so. Even right in there as well towards another pool. You know. Boom, I'll show you runner so. Right here as well was another pool, but all of that, everything is just washed away. Because them use a sandbag and bag it up, as you can see. And everything just wash away. You know, wash right away. You have another side around here, so. See another pool side as well. Another one up the side as well. Walk out in slippers. A swing song. So you have another one also. Right here.
Boys!
Right now we're scouting out. Right now we are scouting. Oh boom! Look here so. Boom! Watch out here so. So nice spot there man, see him here man. You see? Some nice spot around here, see him here man. Look at this guys. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, what should I go on? Whoa! Look now! Way up on my chest! Look! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Woo! Yeah! Yes, yes, yes! Whoa! Around I saw the spot. Wow, look at this. Nice. The river going all the way through there. I think we're gonna make through the rain without enjoy ourselves. All the way back there. We go and scout out some more. What time? Come now. So right now we're scouting. We're looking for the hit spots. Just find the best spot or just now. Just find the spot. Say no trespassing. You know what will happen if you trespass. No, not I go in there. Nice. Look and find the spots there, you know. So I guess this river coming from all the way up in Garden Town side, up in from Blue Mountain, you know, all the way from Blue Mountain side. Nice. Yeah, left our clothes. See a pool a boom. Some pool over them back in. Eh? So the water will come down, man. Like them bank up pure place, what you know what happen? Everything get washed away. See another pool here. Whole heap of pool about the place, man. Yeah. Nature. Oh, what the man build up here, so. Oh, this is like a most changing room. It's a changing room. I must put something up and put some cloth around it. This river go all the way back, you know. Can't follow that trail and you get lost. One more pool again. Hey. Very nice. Nah, make the rain stop we. Nah, make the rain stop we at all. Yeah, way back so. What? Eh? What you say? Yeah, so. This will go all the way and stop walking up. The more we are walking, but guess what? We can't walk too far because we go cook. You know, have to go cook. See a little niceness. Guys, if we follow this river, we continue to walk. You know? But the thing is, I have to go and cook. We have to go and cook at the Bala Road, so at least we know the spots them, you know. There's some spots here, boom.
Yeah, it's a nice spot.
Yeah guys, so we're gonna go back to cook now.
Esther, me have it, you know. Esther. Me have the camera in Esther. Yeah, man. Yeah. Mama, where I go? Yeah, go for, yeah, man. Up the side of go. Nah, man, up the side of go, man. You know? Oh, that's a nice looking cool. You wanna go and cook the soup up? Yeah. Genius, man. Oh, that's over now. There's a come down there. Oh, man. Sorry, my friend. I look at you, cool, and take a look at one, you know. I would have vibes, you know? Eh? Look up here, there's a come here. Come on, Stand and wash down. You feel there's a come here back door? Yeah. I'll go to the stand. Stand and wash down here. The boy in the water, the boy! Come on, man! I'm coming away! Move here, come on! No! Move the boy, you're down there now! Move here! Boy, be a dirt in the underpants and shorts are gold! Come on! Ladies, come on, take a vibes, you know? Take a vibes! You see me, I say? Whoa! God! I come put on a massage and I come back. I come put on the camera and I come put on a massage. I come with the chair on a massage. Yeah. Why? Ladies, I want a massage. Come on, man. Yo. Hold on, where come there? Eh? Yo. Let's slide. That's what I want. Yeah. Move it. Ladies, them sell more a massage. They can't do it and I have the camera, you know? Yo, ladies, them want a massage. Whoa! Yeah, man, mama. I saw come take a picture. Wait there. Yeah, man. Yeah, go on.
Yes, guys. So here I'm grating the pumpkin. You know, to make the pumpkin dumpling.
Yeah, man, some male dumpling. Now. We're not talking about a female, you know. Some male dumpling. Yeah, man, the dumpling, boy. Why, you have water there? I tell you, don't eat them dumpling and make you drink enough water, you know. Yeah, man, soap in your system. Yeah, man. Why? Come here, brother.
Oh, she been tired.
What is why?
Come like him tired. I want to go on. Put some water in there.
Yeah, I'm going to do it. Put on that. Ladies and some more massage one. For minutes. Time done, I have to do some more. You know? Yeah, man, why? Make them swag, why?
Boy, let's find it in the direction here. So guys, if you ever eat, do you ever eat pumpkin dumpling before?
The red light are blink, huh?
Yeah, man, that means I
touch it up.
Eh?
Touch it up, Blake. Touch it. Yeah, yes, see, come up.
So this is how you do it, you know? Grate the pumpkin. So you use this side, you can use any side, but this side is better. This side is long. Yeah, you don't want it too fine. Jax, you ever eat it before? Pumpkin dumpling, no?
No, I never eat it before. Okay.
Never?
No.
So why?
I only eat the oats dumpling when they give go there. The oats dumpling.
Oats dumpling.
Oats.
So now it's the pumpkin dumpling.
Pumpkin dumpling, huh? Yeah. Okay, yeah, then.
We call it pumpkin again, how we used to grow. What's the name of the pumpkin?
Oh, water walk, pumpkin belly. Yeah, man, that's what I said.
Yeah, oh, water walk, pumpkin belly. Oh, guys, oh, water walk.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, water walk. Pumpkin belly. You know how?
Yeah.
How?
Run to the vine, huh?
Run to the vine?
Yeah, go straight to the pumpkin, huh?
Oh, yeah.
So the vine, lead to the pumpkin, the root, you know, the root. The root? Yeah, so lead to the root and the vine then branch off.
Oh, okay.
You know, and branch
Chef,
off.
oh, water walk to pumpkin belly.
Oh, I don't know if I should have grew water full up my belly, you know. Yeah, man, that's why some seed come. You know what I said? I don't know if I show water full up my pumpkin so much, you know, make too much seed in it. Yeah, because I would see them, it will spread them all over the land. Lots of pumpkin come. Yeah, man, so we have all water walk over pumpkin belly, you know. Yeah, man, you see me I say? Yeah, man, why? So, get the thing started up, why?
Yeah, that's a deal. Yes, that's a deal. You say, I'm going to tell you, say, through the vine.
Yeah, through the vine.
Water walk, the pumpkin belly.
Oh, Chef, it's something else.
Yeah. Yes, yes. How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I watch the chef in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I want to watch the chef in the kitchen.
Yeah, chef.
You see what's going on, Kim?
Yeah, you want to eat pumpkin dumpling, yeah?
Yes, Rasta, we are some man.
Yeah,
so I'm a bad chef, you know, man. Plus, come from a chef family, you know, because mother can cook.
Yes.
Brother them can cook, me can cook.
Alright.
Pumpkin are pretty though.
Yes.
Pumpkin pretty though.
Yeah, man. Pumpkin dumpling with fish, steamed fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried everybody to work at Portland.
Yes,
I get bad from them.
Body top and done. Right? So check out, guys. So welcome you here. Kino Life in Jamaica. And if you're watching Kim Vlog, that's the name of the Kim Vlog, right?
Yeah, my Kim Vlog.
And you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Don't be watching and don't subscribe. Remember, that's DJ Swicked's sister. You know?
Man, get the monetization more so watch time, you know?
Yeah, so how many subscribers you got already?
I have about 1,100.
Alright, so you want to watch time now?
Watch time more. I have 2,000.
So you need 2,000 more?
Less than 2,000.
Alright, so you make some long videos now?
Yes, man. So actually I get, you know?
Yes. Right.
Now we put in the work to get it out, you know?
That is it out, man, you know?
Yes, man.
That should come closer now. Come on here, so I'll show them. Come on. So I'm going, guys. You see the pumpkin shredded. So the pumpkin is well shredded. But you can eat like that, you know.
Yeah, he's said me.
Eat it just like that.
Said me.
Yeah, eat it like that, Jackson.
Yes, man.
I know you're a Rasta, you know.
Yes, man, it said you like that, huh? I will get bad and put it on the bread, though.
Aye.
What sandwich is it?
Aye.
Make it more
Pumpkin bread.
Yes. And great.
Where you want to get it, sir? Right there, sir.
Ratchet, she find it there now. Find it there now, kilo.
Whoa, chef. Whoa. So guys, so this is how you do it, you know. So you have to rub it up before you put in any water in it.
Sorry. What happened this thing?
She dumpling, you don't think a long time, so I know them things, I love them things, and you come to smile, no?
Eh?
The smile you see about the dumpling,
Oh.
the pumpkin dumpling.
Oh.
Yeah, the smile. So it's a hero.
Yeah.
Where you with the pumpkin dumpling? Yeah, the pumpkin dumpling.
I'm not eat it yet, I got to see you are going now, you see me?
Okay.
What's your go put the start? Okay.
Wait.
Have bread on it.
Sure, man.
I said, Bob, you ate pumpkin dumpling before?
No, I first never eat pumpkin dumpling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Already, man. That's how we gonna cook it, you know.
Yeah, we eat it already.
Where's the wall, chef?
Open a member.
We eat already, man. No, I believe you.
Never come.
I believe I was going to eat pumpkin dumpling.
Where?
Me, you lie there and we did coconut. Yeah.
Coconut
But
dumpling.
me eat it already, man. You cook it already, you know. How we cook it?
No.
Food that I'm not getting.
Oats dumpling. You eat oats dumpling before?
Oats dumpling, man.
Oats
Yeah, man, we eat
dumpling.
the oats dumpling already, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
put down some one night, yeah.
oats
We never put-
dumpling.
Oats, man, and coconut.
Oats dumpling, no? And coconut. So this is pumpkin dumpling, okay?
See, when they need flour, them say you build your muscles.
Your muscle, you can strengthen your hand. Strengthen your muscles.
Build muscles, man.
Yes, sir.
You done, you say muscles.
Yeah.
Muscles.
Yeah.
Now get a good massage. Best massage.
We're not going to say Thomas. We're not going to say
Mama, over there for two.
Over there, sir.
Right. No, I'm sure you can come. I can run over massage.
Easy, no, man.
In a them part of so.
There's one massage called 1111280.com.
Okay. Yeah, that come.
Yes.
I'm sure that hurt me now.
Yeah.
Let me give you some first. Yeah. Good. I'm a what? Washing away. Hold on, Eddie, hold on. I go wash it. I go wash it, go downtown. Yeah, for the falling. What hero? You wash out the shorts? Hero, you wash out the shorts? Hey, hero, wash out the shorts off of Denny's. Hero, wash out the shorts off of Denny's. Wash out the shorts off of hero, massage the calf. That's so nice. That's so nice. Water, come down the road. Oh.
What me going to look at?
That's how the massage spot. Massage spot. And them son we are buy a mogul. They said them son we are buy a mogul. Yeah, hey, look how much rough sand what they are, so we are buy from mogul. And we can get them free right here. Yeah. Imagine that. Jackson, when we see how to warm up.
Yes, is that right?
Yes, Jackson. Yeah, Jackson, Joseph Jackson, yes. He's getting ready.
Warm up for young girl, buddy.
Hey.
Watch yourself.
Hey. Hey, why? Yes, Jackson. That's the reason why I'm a warm up. That's why Jackson's warming up. Hey, hey. Guys, remember to check out Kim's vlog. You know? I see why you're stretching. Cause Kim say you need to get stretched out.
Yes.
You know? And we watch it. Whoa!
Yes, man. I like it.
You like it?
Such a point, look why everything I'm relaxed and I'm
Clean. Hey, Jackson's all them black stand-ups.
taping on my head, look why I have the teeth are rattling on my head.
Yes.
Hey,
Alright. Hey, you know Jackson start lighting him split quick. Jackson stays up. Watch out, I'll boom a drop. I'll boom a drop. No star, yo. A few things are going on here, so. Boom a drop. Jackson a lighting split. And boom a drop. And hey. Kim vlog, you're going to peer things, you know. They make wow runway. You see a thing here in Florida.
Man, things in Florida, but there's all the vibes. You see me, I say,
relax.
yeah, man, Alpha, big up on my general.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, long time, you know, Carla. Yeah, man, I go all the vibes, you know. Yeah, man, boy, that's so cool and nice, you know. Yeah, man, should have a look at table here, so you see what I say?
See that, man.
Yeah, man. Ah!
Yes, right
See
here
that?
for you.
Whoa! You see, I'm going with a vibe, watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Alpha, man, big up my dads. No fluff, you know, twice, you know.
Not once.
Not once, but twice.
Twice.
Yeah, man, cause I'm so getting fish them up and running, you know.
Yeah.
So come! Yeah, them a call me around, ladies, them a call me.
Yeah.
So come! Too much woman around there, man, I'm alone. Hero. So me I go and keep it on a low down here, so.
Yeah.
I keep it low down here, so, you know. Yeah, man, Gino's too much woman, so I keep it on a low down here, so.
Remember, you got the new apartment, you know.
Yes!
So, baby, you have to go and born.
No apartment, watch it now, about 4 girls attempt to meet first, you know, but boy, I don't know yet, you know. I don't know yet.
Baby, I go born.
Yeah, I don't know yet, cause the girl has to meet first, you know, wow.
Yeah.
That's the boy, I don't know yet, you know, so.
Alright.
I have a whole heap of girl for my mind, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, that's what Jesus really want to talk, you know. Yeah, man, you see too much girl, cause the girl, you see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. No, I said.
Cause remember 2 heart for them, you know.
Yeah, me a 2 heart, and the youth come born with 2 heart too.
Jesus.
Yeah, man, cause, you know. Yeah, man, the youth are born with 2 heart, you know, a boy or a girl, same way.
Alright.
You see me I say? So, whole heap of blessing, enough love, you know. No, yeah, twice, you know.
Not once.
Twice.
Twice. Alright, now put in them, guys, I'm gonna put in the dumpling now. I will put in the dumpling. Eh? Eh? Yes. Boy, you surprise me. Cause we never think so you drink. You know? Cause them that come well prepared. Well prepared. Hey, then get tricked. Eh? I say Rasta, boom, say love the energy, Jackson worse, them love the energy. That's yeah. Yeah, guys, fish. Let's see we have the fish them here. Ready. Okay, now see the check the pot now, the pot. I boil up. See pumpkin dumpling here. Start dropping me now. So that's the pumpkin dumpling, you know. Ready. Pam pam pam.
Yeah, man. You know, now my first family, man. The good old, you know, sea. Hold it up, big. Yeah, man, the sea. Watch him grunt there. Watch him, the Jesus grunt this, you know. Yeah, man, the color Jesus grunt this. The man can't tell me nothing. Yeah. Jesus touch one time miracle. Yeah. You look a snapper. Yeah, man, you see that, eh? Yeah. You get him, you see that one there, the grunt. One of Jesus grunt, man. That's 2 different fish Jesus touching on the sea, you know. Yeah. Like the God bless snapper. Yeah. Like the God bless grunt. Yeah. Them one are the God bless grunt. Alright. Yeah, man, the yellow Rasta man love them, put them on here.
Yeah, long time no eat the God bless grunt.
Yeah, Rasta love them on here. Yeah. Put up on the red, gold and green, you know.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man, them on here, you know. Them on here just normal, go to the body. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Rasta love. Cola, man.
Red, green and gold.
Yeah, man, see next one Rasta love it too.
Cola, another one.
Yeah, that one is para.
Yeah, they chat now.
Yeah, and the chat more one, you see me in water.
And the grunt, how it grunt go?
The grunt, they want to go like go, the grunt. So the grunt go. Yeah, man, I see man, you know about seafood.
If they have sea man.
Yeah, man, I see man, I know about seafood.
Sea man they have to guys.
Look, you see the lobster and swims and, you know.
When you sell food, you know, when you eat, but you fish.
Oh, you eat after fish?
Sell food. No, sell food. Nothing more, you fish. And sell food.
Ice stars, I need ice stars. Pepper sauce. That get it, ice stars. Look, you see 2 ice stars fry on the side. Yeah. On the side. I have ice stars fry, you know.
Jesus, I mean up the plumber over there, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you don't see.
Boy, are there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Touch it up far.
Then so when man can make dumpling, I put man, you know, you see the dumpling.
Yeah, man, cause that's seafood, man. See me I say, fry proper, and especially them one and the parrot them. Yeah, man. Go and soak and put them. See me I say.
Yeah. Love the energy. Could I do it every week? Could I do this every month? I come and river and do this. Nice. You know? Yeah. Nature. Yeah. Nature are linked with the river and the
mountain.
And the mountain. Yeah. Yeah.
Look here, twice a day night.
Yeah, right.
I tell you no. You hear that? Push no. I'm push it here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, see that?
Yeah, well, come here. See the one going with the pumpkin dumpling, guys. So this is the pumpkin dumpling I dropped in the pot. See it pretty?
Yeah.
Looking at the pot. See that in the pot or the pot pretty? See that?
Yeah, I'm soak up chuck off in the hold on.
Pretty.
Yeah.
I'm sure them in the pot now. Put the camera in the pot and them see what I go.
No.
See? Bubbling, pumpkin, dumpling. First me I gonna eat it.
The first.
Yeah.
Them say the first for everything in life.
Alright.
So this is 4 pounds of flour.
Alright, 4 pounds of flour. See there?
Whole heap of flour this. So them better can them better can eat. That's right now, dumpling.
No, last time I told me get a just start.
That was it, the old dumpling.
Alright. They know so with the river make you hungry.
Alright then.
Well, 4 or 5
them
man
fish are looking good. Finger looking good.
Wow, Chef.
Pumpkin, oats. Boy, I'm gonna give it the number one. You know who me I give the number one? The oats, the pumpkin, and the coconut. Love the coconut dumpling.
Man.
Yeah, man, cause do I tell you say, I saw me drink all the pot water. You hear the coconut cook down in the night time, everything, love the coconut dumpling, I tell you. By the time I feel I tell you, give me the next one. You see it? Bad man, you know? Yeah, man. You know. Yeah, that's the color. Yeah, man. The African them alone fry fish, so, you know. Yeah. African one them more well dry. We don't want all well dry fowl, you know. Yeah, man, the South African them dealing it. Yeah, man.
All of the African, African blood in our way.
You know that, man, because my 4 parents, you know, like Ghana them come from, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm maroon, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah, nanny, I'm maroon.
Where your 4 parents them come from? Where?
Yeah, man, my 4th parents them come from Ghana.
Alright.
Like I praise and them and the 4 parents come from Kenya and them.
Yeah.
Man, because some of them put them with all go.
Yeah, man, all both them put to man.
Yeah, man, me Ghana my 4 parents come from, man.
Feel like me have some king DNA in my blood, you know.
Yeah, man.
And king them down in Africa. Alright.
Nigeria.
Yeah. You see, my 4 parents is from Nigeria.
Ghana, my 4 parents come from, you know. Yeah. Ghana, you see. Yeah, man, Ivory Coast, anywhere I'm going to Africa right now. Yeah. Should have covered, man. You see?
You hear that boom?
Yeah. Yeah, man, you see? Yeah, man, they're Ghanaian, you know. Yeah, man,
I'm a Nigerian, you know.
Yeah, Nigeria, anyway.
So me a Nigerian,
yeah.
Ghanaian.
Ghanaian, Nigerian and Ghanaian.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
same thing, you see it?
I know me come from Ethiopia.
Alright.
Me like Ethiopia.
So, yeah.
Alright.
What type you want come from?
They don't on the riverside I go and all the meds, you know him now. Talpe, where DNA come from Africa?
Where? Ethiopia? Kenya?
Where DNA come from Africa? Your DNA, 4 parents come from.
Nigeria, Kenya.
Alright. Nigeria, tall piece of Nigeria, alright. Raksha tax, where 4 parents come from? Great grand.
Oh, Ethiopia.
Alright. Where footprints them come
I
from?
don't know, because my great granny never tell me.
Alright, but all of we African though. For have African, we're black, we have
Right,
African
yes,
DNA.
Ghana I come from. Yeah, man. Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Ghanaian, you know. Black Star of Ghana.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You hear that? Black Star Liner. That's what Mama tells you, the Black Star Liner. And them time the Marcus Garvey, vex you never build the Black Star Liner.
Yeah.
The ship of Marcus Garvey that build them time of Jesus, it's name, you know.
Yeah, them to wait for the Black Star like enough for one go back to Africa.
Black Star Liner stop everywhere in Africa. Everywhere.
Yeah.
Ghana, the place where they go dock first.
Yeah.
Ghana.
Because most of them come from footprints come from Ghana.
All of Ghana and them come off and go around back, you know.
It's again people. Yeah.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Pot looking away.
Alright, looking at the pot again.
I wonder the pot loaded enough.
Yeah.
When you can't buy, so when you get two,
No.
who get, so them get one, and them just start. Should I count them?
Oh yeah.
Or should when you fry them, you can put them in a plastic one there.
Yeah.
One big one.
Yeah. But I couldn't eat after that if them get a one leg.
One big one. Now one plate.
You know we call that cartwheel.
Yo, one big dumpling. Yeah. I walk a manja one.
Who can manage a cartwheel?
Who can manage a cartwheel?
Who want a cartwheel? Selfies them want it, I mean, cartwheel, tell them that. Yeah, I mean.
I want to be cook.
Yeah. Tell them that.
Put them up.
Just chop it up, man.
Right in the garden town, you know.
Yeah.
Right in the garden town there, you know. You see nothing yet, you know. The garden town, it's a cup down. You see the red, gold and green. You see me? Yeah. Alright. You see the boom. Point yesterday. You took that cup down. You see the red, gold and green. You see me I say?
On top, right?
Yeah, and then we just do look at spikes on it. You see me I say? I don't want to talk about too much about spikes because too much people ask about my spikes and I don't want to tell them.
Yeah.
But just look and see.
Yeah.
If I learn, yeah, I mean, I alone of the spikes there, you know. Yeah, man, I alone of the spikes, man. So I say, people in Europe want it. Everywhere in America, people want it. I said, I'm so good on it, man. Right, I'm come to America, I'm come to Europe and them places. Yeah. Them time I don't get the spikes.
Yeah.
You can't get it now.
Yeah.
But you can't get it now.
Yeah, we reach up them can't get.
You can't get the spikes, no, no. You can't get the spikes. You see me, I said, yeah, man, yeah. So, I'm just look what I'm man, you know. Man, I don't have the spikes, man.
Dumpling.
China want to know my spice. And China make so many spikes. They still want to know my one. So why China want tuna bread on everything? You calm down the man.
America, you want.
Yeah, that's America. Long me give America look at my spikes in England and them places, brother. Europe, brother.
Yeah.
Everybody want to know my spikes. Why?
Yeah.
And China have so many spikes.
Yeah.
Boy, I tell you, boy, smile for spikes, I'm stay at Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's it. Right, here, that's you know. Yeah, man, you know. China do fish. They do it so they do fish everywhere. We do my fish our style.
Last dumpling that's going in the pot, guys. See the last dumpling.
Last one.
Going in the pot. Thing. Last dumpling gone in the pot now.
Yeah, man, we done now. Just move with the line up the seasoning part. Carrot, okra and them thing there. You see me I said? Yeah, I have to speak when I see how move it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see me I say? Yeah, man, China can't get the spikes, man. Spikes up there, yeah, so. You hear that? Yeah? All the ladies have a car, they have so coming up. You get a swim with the ladies, they come back. I'm going to mend it, you know?
So, you know, so go by the river and wash this out.
Yeah.
You know? That's what we're doing. Yeah, go by the river and wash this out. So we love the vibe, you know?
Yeah.
Meditation wise talk.
Yeah. Talk to all the mates from the corner. Eat from.
Well, sticking at this, you know.
Yeah, natural water this. No chemical or nothing like
With the
this.
stone.
Yeah, natural water.
Ever bring a Scotch Brite?
Yeah. Be in African way.
Like Kim say, from man can need dumpling a good man, right?
Yeah.
Say me can wash plate and wash pot and what that. Good man. Eh? Better man. Okay, so yeah, that's the once you can need good dumpling, you're a good man. But once you can wash pot and plate, you're a better man. So no, I am a better man.
Yeah.
So I am a better man, a better man. Me don't know what them are pre about. A keynote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Dream team a step up in a life, them not like that. Put a fire upon a hater. After we try so hard, them want we feel. Want we pop down and lose we feel. Them no want hear my man a drink sorrel. Every day them sit down for me name, them a quarrel. Water! Let them know.
Yeah.
Clean.
Clean.
Without no soap,
No
natural
soap,
river
natural water, river water come from way up in the hill.
Eh? Alright. They're coming soon.
Yeah, man, nice man.
Soon.
Plenty there for chef up your pot everything.
Oh, yeah.
Coming soon. go over that side of them. That is it, you know? That is it. Guys, look at this river come down. Hey, come out! Look at that. Look, the river come down. Look at this. Got us a liquor. Hey, one left, hero. Guys, the river come down. Oh damn. Here, push them up. Hey, cut up. Hey, hold on, let's go. Eddie, you okay? Yeah, look at they get caught.
Yeah! Come over!
Get caught. I'll be with me, I'll go boy first. Where your shoes are gone? Guys, the river comes down. Yeah. Hey. Eddie, you okay? Gosh, look at this. Whoa! Whoa, chef! The river comes right down. Guys, look at that, the river come right down. Oh my days, the water gets dirty. Yeah! Wow. See the pool eh? Look how quick it is to full up. Look. Look at this. Yeah. The river come right down. Yeah, no. The first me ever at a river and it come down same time when you're there. Yeah, watch it. But boom, look how quick you have to full up. Look how quick right is so full up. So imagine if the bag them is still there. You know?
Yeah, I can say how up they say she come. See there?
Yeah, the line.
Yeah, I can say how up they get.
Can't Joel, man. Hey, can't trust a boy up here, you know.
Oh, yeah, go on.
It come from round this as well, so two sides that come from. Round there as well. Yeah. Yeah, because one time we were around there earlier, it is clear. What in there? Stay close, then get it. Apo, ay think I boom.
You know, say 2 minutes long, me can't see.
Yeah.
So we there. So watch out, same time me check.
Esther, me not hear you. Come on, so check up where Esther the ball. Because I'm going to picture them up the top. I'm about to sleep. I was not screwing your Esther anyway.
Watch out. You want to be me, come and look at the boy and wash and come down to me and grab me.
Hey.
You know, we say up on the upper part me there, you know.
Yeah.
But then the upper part, I don't think I'm going to come and the water when I wash come down. Then the upper part, so I say, wait, the water looks so brown. So I say, watch out, I say.
But I look, it's start get heavier.
You know what I mean, though? Which for me, there's a nice couple, so just go up. But as she know, I say, any grip me one way, and I go around for grip her, so I say, any
hero and I'm panar.
Hero and I'm power. Hero don't try everything. And a hero one.
No, hero brace her up from hero will her brace up.
Yeah, no, me a go. Yeah. Hero, so we are me a fix myself.
Look at the water. Oh. And make a last scratch me. Pumpkin dumpling.
Aku eat them every both times. Yeah, man.
Yeah, but say, ever you worry about them and I'm first experience. Hey, every week you don't get a laugh. Every week
Yeah.
Nobody can join us up. Nobody can. Really.
Red, green, and gold ocean for that scent.
Ice gold and gold.
But it's not ocean, but cut it up. It's Rasta Jackson.
Like that, huh?
in the kitchen, making it work.
Yeah, making it work.
Like when you say Rasta, you know, red, green and gold, you know.
Yeah, see it.
It's the ice green and gold.
Yeah, ice green and gold. Let me say wow, chef.
Ice green
Ice
and
green
gold.
and gold, huh? Yeah, so you know they cook, you see the rainbow across the pot, huh?
Yeah.
The rainbow, you know. And we cook it ice gold and we see the rainbow, you know.
Rainbow.
If you like cook it ice gold, you know, see the rainbow.
Whoa, we can take all that, you know, and you can start next, put your next one over there, so like let us go and fry. Yeah, and take out that ice green and gold. Alright guys, so the gravy here. The gravy has simmered down. You know, simmer down. Mind you lose your temper, simmer down. Them say the buckle is getting hotter.
See that come down to nice.
See.
That's what I'm talking about. You go for the pot pretty.
Red, green and gold.
See? I did look up and see the rainbow, you can't see, you can eat what you eat. You can't see the rainbow.
Tell me no time no need to be that mud water.
What is that?
Mud water. The man the fire.
Yeah.
What from your saying they want to teach one of our fish them?
That is it. Go
I
and
want to get
prepare.
them steam one day.
Go and prepare the plate then. Don't really matter.
I want to see one of the
Why? What's the dumpling done? Where's dumpling?
So live right? Live now we get dumping them exact.
Is that still one that does that?
Just an hour more than two.
One more leg. Just one.
Go Ripper, show Ripper.
We have two steam in there, you know.
Yes, sir. The steam one boom, right?
Yeah, that's steam now, do you know?
Yeah, but can I be that boom steam in it?
Yeah. Esther now on about that full steam.
Let's put it up.
Cover them first. Where are the gravy now? Oh, take that for Esther. Wait, take it. Yeah. Wala na. Uy! Uy! Ada bonok. Esther, come down.
Yeah.
Esther, sit there.
We used to dumpling and butter.
That's why you must eat fish.
So garlic is worth of the butter. Can you look at this garlic is worth of the butter? Look at it. We used to dumpling and butter. But I thought I used to make a paper towel. Every time my mother cook and the meat are done, they call the dumpling and butter. So they give me dumpling and butter, but me, some of me use it. Dumpling and butter. Yes, when the mother cook and the meat are done, just keep for dumpling and butter and they go one side.
I thought she almost drowned, so I have to get her first. Redeem herself, you know. Come in, here and come on. Start people. Here. Take up 2 lessons now for Yanni. Don't listen, don't listen.
Look at what, look at deep.
You didn't get everything from the video dog. Get one red dog. I'm going to join them, so I'm kind of.
Ring him. So this is the pumpkin dumpling special. Esther, how's the dumpling and pumpkin?
Nice. Dumpling and pumpkin. I put it different. We used to dumpling and butter, guys.
And the dumpling and the pumpkin and the butter. Eddie redeemed herself and she's okay.
You know, my foot are going.
The foot are going?
Yeah, see, then another foot are wash your head cold.
Oh man, the pumpkin dumpling we eel it back.
2 Eddie foot wash way. Now one of them is
you never see 7 foot that.
The pumpkin dumpling we eel it back. Right, Jack, so we're going.
Yeah, pumpkin dumpling back. Nice.
What?
You know that?
I ate.
I ate this.
I ate this.
bad
Where you say Kim Vlog?
Yes, man, a bad man. Chef can't go with him, can't get a wife soon.
Oh, Chef Carpe. I eat pumpkin dumpling. I eat. Yeah. Whoa, you know. Oh, the pumpkin dumpling are going. And the fish around.
That dumpling that don't have the fish in the seed.
Yeah.
Go on, man.
Look like you plan for bringing one piece of the fish.
Look at that, go on. That's it, done, you know. I'm going to steal the head, you know.
I'm not lying.
Go on, man.
Hey, I'm exact on the dumpling there, I'm not lying. Boom. How is everything up here?
Suck out a fish area.
Yeah. Pumpkin dumpling are going.
Yeah, man.
Eat that, that is it.
Try to take me and I'm going to see if this one over there. I'm going to come around tonight.
Bye.
I'm pregnant.
It's my time to go feast by the river. Feast by the river, guys. Okay. River come down, but the pot run down. River come down, but the pot run down. Yes guys, so that was it for today. I don't know how things goes already. Oh, Kim Vlogs, give yourself a shout out.
So guys, go over to my page Kim Vlogs, as in KIMVLOGS. Subscribe, like, comment, invite a friend over all the time. Bless up on yourself. And big up yourself, Kino.
Yes,
blessings
man.
all the time for having me for the day.
Yes,
It was a well spent day. Feel like family.
Yes,
everybody. Appreciate every single one. They make me feel welcome, like me know them a long time. And the first me I meet them. Bless up on yourself, man.
Alright, that is how we do it. You know, so guys, and this is DJ Swicked's sister. You know, so you can give her a support, check her out and everything. You know, check her out on our YouTube channel. Eddie, okay?
Yeah.
Eddie, are you okay? Are you okay, Eddie?
Yeah, shoes pan this so she says a landmark here. You see shoes?
Okay.
And next one I want
Your Michael Jackson say, Eddie, are you okay? Are you okay, Eddie? Eddie nearly wash away. So not the goalie, but we have to save her. It no matter where you in a deep man. They will pass a knee.
Pass a little bit there right now, it's deep.
Oh, Eddie, are you okay? You okay? She nearly wash away. Hey. Eddie, are you okay? Yes, she's okay, guys. So, yes, that is it. You know, and Eddie, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Eddie? Eddie nearly wash away. She nearly wash away. She nearly wash away, dog. You don't go lay. You don't go lay.
Mighty God of
No, she couldn't wash it. She couldn't wash it. No, she couldn't wash it.
Yeah.
She couldn't wash it.
She couldn't wash away.
No, she couldn't wash it. Ira would have seen her.
Yeah.
Ira would have seen her. She couldn't wash it.
We were in the big level all of it. Always
Yeah. Ira would have saved her.
Would have saved her. Would have saved her. Would have saved her. Ira would have saved her. Would have saved her. He would have saved her. He would have saved her. He wouldn't wash it. She wouldn't wash it. She wouldn't wash it. She wouldn't wash it. Ira would have saved her.
God bless.
Bless up yourself, you know, man.
Hey, how you Alright, in the week again.
Yeah.
May I call and find out when the river is good?
Yes, alright, take care.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.